Hi there, it's Sunday morning. What do I have to say today? Well, I suggested that the markets could start to trade in a sideways range. I suggested that last week. I'm going to say that unfortunately I was right because I don't find this particularly easy. This up one day, very strong, and then very weak the next day. I don't find that particularly easy. Although, as long as the levels hold, it works quite well. We got down to the support level on Friday in gold, sorry, 1850, 1855, 1850. The trouble is we closed around there, so there was no bounce. So longs weren't offered any opportunity to make a profit. The non-farm payroll number was out on Friday, of course. More jobs were created than expected. Seemed to have negative impact on stock markets because I guess they're reading into that there's a greater chance of higher interest rates, of course, if the economy is strong, and that would be inflationary. I'm sure you know that. Right, silver as well. Wiped out the gains. Silver looked so strong on Thursday. I thought we'd broken up. Then silver returned. So I've got a feeling this is going to be the theme. Monday after non-farm payroll is usually quiet anyway. So we are likely to stay within sideways ranges. New Zealand dollar, well, it's establishing a sideways range. I think the Aussie dollar is doing so too, as I showed you on, there we go, look, wiping out a lot of the gains. Anyway, look, the levels are all in the report, but I think that this is going to be the theme now going through June. Unfortunately, as I say, I was right last week. Again, Aussie dollar wiping out a lot of the gains on from Thursday, wiping them out on Friday. A stronger bull trend in the Aussie dollar, admittedly, but I think it might start to establish a sideways trend. Now, dollar index has been trading perfectly within the support level of 101.50, 101.25, up to the resistance level of around 102.60, 102.80. Keep an eye on that dollar index if you can, because a break either side we need to know when that breaks. The euro, strong resistance at 108.10, 108.30. There's a good support level down at, where is it now? Let me remind myself. 106.30, 106.10 would be the big support level for the week. There's a little bit of support around the 106.80, 106.70 area, which I think held on Friday, did it? 107.00 we got to. Okay, not much I can add really. Even stock markets, I think, are establishing sideways range. Well, there's no doubt about that with the S&P, of course. Another market that's up one day, down the next. NASDAQ has a similar pattern. It's all kind of playing out as I expected. So now we've got to just look at the range. We can sell at the resistance. We can buy at the support. It's not a bad deal. It's relatively simple if we can just get the ranges right throughout June. Okay, so there's not really much to add. Bitcoin and the cryptos still look weak. They're holding below their resistance levels, and I think eventually they will break down. Okay, contact me if you need me. Otherwise, good luck with your trading, and we'll chat again on Tuesday.